Puppy by Shel Silverstein.
There is only one thing in the whole world that Peter wanted, and that was a puppy. Not just any puppy, but the ones he had seen in the local dog show. They had big shiny eyes and wagging tails. Peter was happy because his parents promised to give him a puppy for his birthday. He was so excited. Can we get a puppy just like the ones we saw at the local dog show? He pleaded. His dad shook his head and said, I'm sorry, son, but those puppies are too expensive, and they become very big dogs. We can't afford that, but we'll get you a puppy you will love. Peter felt really sad because he didn't know the puppies at the dog show were expensive, and he didn't know he could love any other kinds of dog. Finally, Peter's birthday arrived. Yay! He found lots of presents. But there was no puppy. He found a dog bowl, a brush, and bone-shaped biscuits in the boxes from his parents. But where was his puppy? He rushed to his parents and asked about his puppy. His mom said, we're going to get you a new puppy today. We chose a little cute puppy from the animal shelter, and we're going to get it as soon as we finish breakfast. Peter was so excited. For an hour he kept asking, can we go now? Can we go now? Finally, everyone was ready and they all got into the car. When they arrived at the animal shelter, a lady took them to see Peter's puppy. When Peter saw the puppy, he felt disappointed. It didn't look like the puppies at the dog show at all. Peter felt really sad, but he knew to be thankful for his presents, even if the pet presents are not what he wanted. He petted the little puppy. The puppy was shy and ran into a corner after licking Peter's hands. Don't worry, said the lady. Rags will get used to you. Come on, Rags, it's time to go to your new home. She gently placed the little puppy in Peter's arms. Rags looked up at Peter with his big, soft eyes. When they got home, Rags hid under the bed. Peter wondered how to play with such a shy friend. At dinner time, Peter was sitting at the table. He felt something cold and wet on his leg. It was Rags' nose. Rags was wagging his tail. It will only be a matter of time. He will feel this is his home soon, said Peter's father. But the next morning, something amazing happened. Rags wagged his tail and wanted to play. Peter knew Rags was turning into a happy puppy. Rags became more and more playful. He greeted Peter's family with licks and wagging tails. Love going for walks and playing and learned tricks quickly. Peter couldn't believe how much Rags changed from a shy puppy at